Hello everyone, this is Mira's cookbook, and guys, today I'm going to be making hash browns. So without any delay, let's get started. First, you will need some potatoes. I have took a large size potato and this equals to 2 medium sized potatoes. Next, in a bowl, take some amount of cold water. Guys, we are gonna grate a potato, so I have used a small size whole grater. This ensures that our potatoes that are grated will be thin. Now start grating the potatoes. Guys, make sure that after grating the potatoes, wash them with the cold water twice or thrice. After it's washed, now turn on your stove, take a bowl and add some amount of water. We are gonna heat the water, so just heat the water for 1 minute in medium flame. After the water is heated, put all the grated potatoes and add half a teaspoon of salt. Guys, we are not boiling the potatoes, we are just taking or removing the starch from the potatoes. So just don't boil the potatoes, just steam it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now take a cotton cloth and put all the grated potatoes in it. Just spread all the potatoes all over the cotton cloth. Now roll it and squeeze it. This ensures that we remove the excess amount of water present in the grated potatoes. Again, spread it all over the cotton cloth and just dry them for 15 minutes. As you can see that our potatoes are dried up, it's time to add the other ingredients. Add a 1 tablespoon of rice flour, half a tablespoon of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it. After mixing it, you will notice that the consistency will be like this. And to this you can add cheese. This is optional guys, if you have it you can just add it or you can just leave this and skip to the next step. And finally add a half a teaspoon of maida. Again mix it and make it into a dough. Take a parchment paper or a butter paper or a wrapper. So I have used a wrapper and cover the dough with a wrapper. Now roll it. Like just make it into a circle shape, not exactly a circle, but just roll it in all the sides. Now take a mold that is in round shape and place it into the dough. Take away all the remaining dough and you will get a perfect round shape. And this is how it looks. Guys, we are in the final part of the video. Now take a pan, into it pour some oil and heat it. After it's heated, put all the hash browns and fry them. After one side is covered with golden brown, just flip it and fry another side. After both sides are fried, our hash browns are ready to serve. You can have them with your favorite sauce or ketchup. Guys, try this in your home, and that's all for today's recipe. If you like this video, please give a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.